All right, welcome back. Bill's Amazing Adventure. Today, what are you got on?
A catfish.
Oh, never mind. Scratch that. We'll go over here. So, today we're off of Thousand Island Conservation Area in Cocoa Beach. Dang, look at that airplane. Anyways, they got an air show going on over on the beach side. But we're back here fishing for the usual suspects: sheephead, drum, redfish, snook if we catch one, mangrove snapper, whatever. Got the river yacht fired up. We're not looking for these ever, but they bite. Fishing on live shrimp, it's gonna happen. But down here, see what happens. A little windy. Looks like might get some weather, but you know how we do. We don't care. We'll check back. I think you gotta be out of the channel or something. Oh wait, look at all these people. We'll have to turn around and come back. Do the sneak attack. In case we're doing something wrong. We really don't know what we're doing. I'm sure it can't be in the channel, so we'll be on the other side of the sign.
But that's not on the channel. It's on the.
Yeah, right. Alright, so we'll
Your
wait.
dog is driving me nuts, though. I mean, seriously. That's disgusting.
Tilly wants some fish.
So gross.
That's messed up. We're gonna drop.
It is.
It is like bad. So we're gonna drop this trap right over in here. We got it full of the old carcasses from our last fishing excursion, and just try to make sure that they're not on the side so the crabs can't eat them from the outside of the trap.
Somewhere.
Transition. That was me. My bad. All right, so we gotta mark it.
Where'd your Don't laugh at me.
Heck yeah. That don't make you feel American. Nothing does.
Feel American. I live my fish.
That's awesome. Reel them in.
One catfish
wait.
at a time.
Aw, catfish.
Don't poop on me.
Back in the water you go. Give them the old dankos.
Get smacked in the head when it goes.
Dang, what over that caprice?
Alright, you can stop wiggling.
LT1. Here you go.
Shoot.
Got another one on. What we got? Oh, big old mangrove snapper.
That one might be 10 inches.
You might make a sandwich.
He's a little short. Yo!
I'm very distracted by the Thunderbirds putting on the air show over there. It's insane.
It's so loud.
I think next time before we go to war, we should just send an air show over there, and I'm pretty sure they'll back out.
Nope, 9.
Really? Oh, there he goes. They're all over the place. It's insane. Tilly doesn't care at all. Look at him with the flag in the background. Here they come. Hopefully you guys can see him. Pretty sure I need whatever kind of jet that is.
For what?
For fun. Look how much fun they're having. Better,
Sponsored by, like,
I better get the powder cup.
I don't even. For what?
5 We found the nursery hole. A whole bunch of short trout, a bunch of short mangoes. But better than catfish, better than not catching anything at all.
And better than being at home.
Here you go.
Feet are hot.
Yeah? Want to dump another bucket of water on there?
I think the water makes it look bigger.
Yeah. Magnified by the water.
Oh, he might be.
Yeah?
He's at least 9-ish.
Yeah, he's short.
Oh, he's got lots of teeth.
Oh, he might not be. Oh, he's short. Oh, he might not be. I'll give him a shot. Blop, blop, blop. And the official
9.5.
Oh, try it. Oh,
9.5.
still short. Try one more time.
Go. Bye.
Here you go.
Easy.
Alright, we'll go back in there.
Go back in there.
Yeah, please eat that. Is he long enough?
Oh, yeah.
Slot?
Yeah.
Off the net?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
It's right here. Oh, that one will work too. I'm trying.
I need to film with the right and snatch with the left.
Oh, good job.
Alright, got one in the boat.
That'll work.
Big old shiny red. I gotta get the boat out of the bushes.
Okay, go put it in the bushes. Tilly, do your job.
Yeah, where's our boat captain? There you go. Heck yeah. That's
He's
a
pretty.
slaughter.
It's 18 to 27.
I think so.
God, he's slimy.
I'm determined to crash the boat.
Ow! Tilly, he's 21.
21er?
Yeah.
That'll do.
I bit the...
Heck out of you. Alright, nice job. Over the rail, into the cooler pail.
It's just a stupid catfish.
Stupid catfish?
Mm-hmm. See?
What a stupid catfish.
Haha, but I saved mushroom.
But
Stop.
No.
But he's being bad.
Stop it. There you go.
Hey,
Oh. Tilly's being a monster.
You can't eat the mushroom.
Look
Little baby red.
at that little guy. Just hiding underneath the dock, doing his own thing. Ate the wrong shrimp.
Here, give my kiss.
Tilly will say
Give my
hi.
kiss. Good girl. Okay.
Back in the water he goes. Here you go. Mr. Mangrove Snapper. He may go 10. I don't know. Only one way to find out. No, you'll pull it right from the front. Alright, so we're about to pull up on our crab trap. Been soaking all day. With a bunch of old carcasses in it from our last catch. We'll see if anything crawled in there.
that dog though.
Yeah, she's very helpful. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Oh my God, look at them all.
There's nothing in it.
There's millions of them.
No, there's nothing.
Not even a one.
Oh, there's a snail.
A hermit crab?
Sure. That counts as a crab.
Look at that. He's gonna eat good. Hey.
What?
All right, dump all that crap out.
Ooh, you cursed.
All right, so another epic fail on the crab trap.
Ooh, it stinks.
And it smells really bad, but whatever. Try again next time. All right, so we had a good day fishing. Got a nice red for the cooler. Pretty much the end of the day now. Sun's starting to go down, so me and Tilly are here waiting for Belle to put the trailer in the water. We'll get the rubber yacht loaded up, head back to Orlando. See y'all on the next one.